Hello everyone, today I will be reviewing another product which is car door LED warning light. So this goes on the car door. Basically the battery goes here, this flashes, and this goes underneath this. They have given 3mm stickies, double duct tape, and I will place this hole with the car door, and when you open the car door this light flashes. So let me put this here, this goes underneath here, and when I install with the car door I'll show you how it works. So this is the outcome. So this is a light what I was talking about. So light went inside. This is a 3mm double side tape. The light is here, and they have given a magnetic strip. So I'm showing you other way around. It's like this, and it's a magnet. So if you put this here, the light stops. So the basic function is when you close your door, light is off. When you open the door, light flashes. So let me install on the car door and let's see the final result. So this is the result what I was talking about. So if you open the car door, the light flashes, and if you shut the door, obviously the light's gone inside, but there's a magnet, so light turns off. So this is a safety feature in the night time. So when you open the door, light flashes. When you close it, obviously the light goes inside, but I can't show you. There's a magnet inside. You can see the light still flashing, and you see it's flashing and it's gone off, and I can shut the door. So this was a review of car door LED warning light. So when you open the door, the light flashes. It's worth buying. It was 60 pence for two on Temu. I'm not sure, you can buy on eBay also, but it's a very good product. Keep watching for more reviews. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and share with others. Till then, take care.